sooner than lightning strike. Look at me now, I'm falling. Can't even toss this stuttering. This ground I'm on keeps shaking. Oh, oh, oh. Now all I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you. All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Have you ever read a piece of writing that felt jumpy? Or a paragraph where the ideas left without warning? Okay, I am Anissa Nurfariha, and today we are going to unlock the secret behind writing that flows and captivates. That secret is coherence, and in this video, we will focus on its two main cases: transition signal and logical order. Ready to transform your writing from ordinary to outstanding? Okay, let's get started. Practice 5. Choosing transition signals. A. Step 1. Choose the transition signal that best shows the relationship between the sentence in each group from the choices given in parentheses. Write the signal in the space. B. Step 2. Add punctuation and change capital letters to small letters if necessary. Note, all of the transition signals in this practice are sentence connectors. This is to give you more practice in using and punctuation this type of transition signals correctly. Example, a recent article in Era magazine suggested ways to reduce inflation. The article suggested that the president reduce the federal budget. Furthermore, it suggested that the government reduce federal, state, and local taxes. However, in context or furthermore. Number 1. The same article said that the causes of inflation were easy to find, blah blah blah. The cure for inflation was not so easy to prescribe. However, for example, or therefore. The correct answer to fill in the blank is however. Number 2. Era also suggested that raising wages were one of the primary causes of inflation, blah blah blah. The government should take action to control wages. However, therefore, or for example, yeah. The answer is therefore. Number 3. In physics, the weight of an object is the gravitational force with which the Earth attracts it, blah blah blah. If a man weighs 115 pounds, this means that the Earth pulls him down with a force of 115 pounds. Moreover, therefore, or for example. The correct answer to fill in the blank is for example. Number 4. The farther away from the Earth a person is, the less the gravitational force of the Earth, blah blah blah. A man weighs less when he is 15,000 miles from the Earth than when he is only 50,000 miles away. In conclusion, therefore, or however, the correct answer to fill in the blank is therefore. Number 5. A tsunami is a tidal wave produced by an earthquake on the ocean floor. The waves are very low and low in open water, but when they get close to land, they encounter friction because the water is shallow, blah blah blah. The wave increase in height and can cause considerable damage when they finally reach land. On the other hand, as a result, or for example, yes, the correct answer is as a result. Okay friends, next, B. Step 1. Fill in each blank with an appropriate transition signal from the list provided. Use each only once. For instance, however, moreover, but, furthermore, for example, in conclusion, and such as. Step 2. Use correct punctuation. Internationalization of Japan. For many years, Japanese consumers have been very slow in accepting foreign goods, mainly because they are very selective and will only purchase high-quality products. Lately, blah blah blah, the consumer market has been changing. The correct answer to fill in the blank is however. Okay, next. According to a recent article in the Wall Street Journal, Kokuseiga, which is defined as internationalization, is influencing young Japanese consumers who are very eager to purchase and enjoy products from countries around the world. The greatest access into the Japanese market has been by the food industry. Traditionally, the protein staple in Japan has been fish products. Blah blah blah. In the last decade or so, the Japanese have been consuming more beef. Okay. So, the correct answer to fill in the blank is that. In fact, annual per capita consumption is expected to be about 7 kilos in the next decade. Moreover, they have acquired a taste for imported beverage, both of the non-alcohol or low-alcohol varieties, like beer and light wines imported from England, Germany, and Switzerland, the United States, and Australia. Young people, especially women, who are aware of the importance of health and fitness, are eating Western-style breakfast. So, the correct answer to fill in the blank is furthermore. Blah blah blah, they enjoy fruit, milk, and brand-type cereals imported from the United States. The correct answer to fill the blank is, for example, not only Western countries, blah blah blah, Asian nations, but also South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, and Thailand have been benefiting from the changing diet of the Japanese consumer. The answer is that also. Blah blah blah, Japan is importing eels, fish from Taiwan, asparagus or vegetable from Taiwan, and mangoes or fruit from the Philippines. The correct answer to fill in the blank is, for instance. Blah blah blah, the Japanese trend toward internationalization should become even greater as we approach the 21st century. It will certainly increase international trade, which will definitely be advantageous to many countries of the world. Okay, the correct answer to fill in the blank is inclusion. Okay, so friends, this is the paragraph. Okay, we next to material. Improve the coherence of the following paragraph by adding transition at case. Women's liberation and English. The women's lib movement toward greater equality for women has produced some permanent change in the vocabulary of English. First is the answer. New words have been added. The words feminist, sexist, and male chauvinist have become common during the past 35 years or so. Furthermore is an answer to fill in the blank. Another new word is the little misses, which is often used in place of both Miss and Mrs. In addition is an answer to fill in the blank. A change is that sexist titles of many occupations have been neutralized. For example is the answer to fill the blank. Okay? A chairman is now a chairperson, or sometimes simple child. A waiter or waitress is now a white person, and a high school or college freshman is now a first-year student. A mailman is now a mail carrier, and an airline stewardess is now a flight attendant. Moreover is answer to fill the blank. Okay? In time, English pronouns may also change as a result of women's desire for equality. Attempts to give equal treatment to masculine and feminine pronouns in English have led to the search for a new pronoun form to replace he, such as he or she, when referring to neutral nouns like student and manager. Although is an answer to fill the blank. Some of the new words, such as Mrs., are quite useful. You can use Mrs. to address a woman when you don't know if she is married. However is answer to fill the blank. The lack of a clear neuter pronoun can lead to awkward sentence construction. So, okay, this is a question. Choose one of the topic sentence below and write a paragraph that develops it. Use transition signals to connect the supporting sentence smoothly. You may use the transition signals to guess for each topic, or you may use others not later. Add other sentence without transitions if you need to in order to explain the topic completely. Number 1. The rowdiness of spectators at sports events is getting out of control. 2 years ago, last year, more recently, or as a result? Number 2. There are 4 noticeable differences between British and American English. The first difference, for example, the second difference, for example, and the third. And 3. Some people enjoy solitude. For intense, more effort, on the other hand, and therefore. Okay friends, we go to the new chapter. Chapter 4, Coherence, Logical Order. In addition to using transition signals and repeating key nouns and pronouns, fourth way to achieve coherence is to arrange your sentence in some kind of logical order. Your choice of one kind of logical order over another will, of course, depend on your topic and your purpose. You might even combine two or more different logical orders in the same paragraph. The important point to remember is to arrange your ideas in some kind of order that is logical to a reader accustomed to the English way of writing. Some common kinds of logical order in English are chronological order, logical division of ideas, and comparison or contrast. In this chapter, you will learn to recognize some of the logical orders. In later chapters, you will learn to write them. Each kind of order has its own special words and phrases to show the relationships among the ideas. For example, in a piece of writing using a chronological order, you will expect to find a lot of time expressions. First, next, after that, finally, before the last word, after. Each kind of order has its own special words and phrases to show the relationships among the ideas. For example, in piece of writing using chronological order, you will expect to find a lot of time expression. First, next, after that, finally, before the last word, after 1990, since then, in 2010, while working on the project or something else. In paragraph describing different contracts, you will find this expression: the most noticeable difference, larger than, unlike, on the other hand, in contracts, differ from. In a paragraph showing similarities or comparison, you will find this expression: similarity, similarly, expensive, just as, just like, compare, compare with, in comparison. Logical division of ideas is another common method of organizing ideas to give a paragraph coherence. Ideas are put into groups, and each group is discussed one after the other. Transition words such as first, second, third introduce each group. Read the following paragraph and decide which kind of logical order is used in each. Comparison or context, chronological order, or logical division or ideas. Be able to discuss the reasons for your choice. Circle all transition signals. An English sentence determining its grammatical verb structure and identifying the subject, verb, objects, and modifiers. Next, the words are translated by an English-Japanese dictionary. After that, another part of the computer program analyzes the resulting occurred jumble of words and meanings and products and produces an intelligible sentence based on the rules of Japanese syntax and the machine's understanding of what the original English sentence means. Finally, then the computer-produced translation is polished by a human bilingual editor. The kind of logical order is chronological order, indicated by first, where is first? Next, after that, and finally. Okay. We next to paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. French and American business managers have decidedly different management styles. Friends meetings, for example, are long and rambling and rarely end on time. Furthermore, meetings often end without closure. Americans, on the other hand, make an effort to start and stop a meeting on time. An American's business meeting typically ends with decisions and action plans. Another difference involves documentation. Americans adore documentation. They have a producer manual for everything. The French, in contrast, think this is childish. French managers find it difficult to stick to a schedule, but American managers are intolerant of delays. In addition, the French prefer to work alone, whereas Americans like to work in teams. Another major difference in management style is that in French companies, authority comes from the top. French managers do not share information with subordinates and make decisions with little participation by employees beneath them. In American companies, however, top managers share information and frequently solicit input from subordinates. What is the kind of logical order? The kind of logical order is comparison or contrast, indicated by different. For example, furthermore, on the other hand, another difference in contrast. In addition, whereas another major, however, okay, we next to paragraph 3. It took more than 2,500 years to develop the calendar used in most Western countries today. In about 700 BCE, the ancient Romans used a calendar that had 304 days divided into 10 months. March was the beginning of each year. There were more than 16 days missing from the calendar, and so very soon the calendar did not match the seasons at all. Spring arrived when the calendar said that it was still winter. A few decades later, the Romans added the months of January and February to the end of the year. This calendar lasts about 1600 years. Then in 1406 BCE, Julius Caesar, the Roman ruler, made a new calendar. His calendar had 365 days, with one day added 10 every fourth year. He also moved the beginning of the year off to January, and he renamed a month for himself Julius or July. In Caesar's calendar, February had 29 days. The very next emperor, Augustus, not only renamed a month for himself, August, but he also took one day from February and added it to August so that his month would be just as long as Caesar's. This calendar worked better than the previous ones, but it still wasn't perfect. By 1500 the first calendrical day 1 of spring was 10 days too early. So, in 1582, Pope Gregory XIII, the leader of the Roman Catholic religion, made a small change to make the calendar more accurate. In the Gregorian calendar, the year is still 26.3 seconds different from the solar year, but it will be a long time before this causes a problem. What is the kind of logical order? The kind of logical order is chronological order, indicated by in about a few decades later, then in the very next, and something else. Okay friends, we are entering a new chapter. Chapter 4, Coherence. Paragraph 4. The many different calendars used throughout the world all based either on the phases of the moon, on the revolution of the earth around the sun, or on a combination of these. The first kind of calendar is the lunar calendar, which is based on the phases of the moon. A moon is calculated as the time between two full moons, 29.5 days. And a year has 354 days. The Islamic calendar used in Muslim countries is a lunar calendar. It has 12 months and a cycle of 30 years in which in the 2, 5, 6, 10, 13, 16, 18, 21, 24, 26, and 29 years have 355 days, and the other 354 days. A second kind of calendar is the solar calendar, which is based on the revolution of the earth around the sun. The ancient Egyptians used a solar calendar divided into 12 months or 30 days each, which left 5 accounted days at the end of the year. A very accurate calendar developed by the Mayan and Indians in North America was also a solar calendar. It had 365 days. 364 of which were divided into 28 weeks of 13 days each. The new year began on the 365th day because the solar year is exactly 365 days, 5 hours, 14.8 minutes, and 14.6 seconds long. However, a solar calendar is not totally accurate, so many cultures develop a third kind of calendar, the lunisolar calendar. In a lunisolar calendar, extra days are added every so often to reconcile the lunar months with the solar year. The Chinese 20 Hebrew and Gregorian calendars used today are lunisolar calendars. What is of the kind of the logical order? The kind of logical order is logical division of ideas, indicated by first kind, second kind, and third kind. Okay, the review is, these are the important points you should have learned from this chapter. 1. every good paragraph has coherence. Coherence is achieved by repeating key nouns frequently, using pronouns consistently, using transition signal to show the relationship and of one idea to the next, and stating your ideas in some kind of the logical order. And the two transition signals can be transition pairs, conjunction adverbs, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, prepositions, adjective, or nouns. Each type of transition signals is punctuation differently. And the three, some common kinds of logical order in English are chronological order, logical division of ideas, and comparison or contrast. Okay, choose one of the suggested topics below and write a paragraph that is 10 to 15 sentences in length. Focus on making your paragraph coherent. The ideas should flow smoothly from beginning to end. Remember the steps in the writing process. Step 1. Pre-writing. Brainstorm a topic for ideas using the listening, pre-writing, or clustering the techniques you have learned. Try to end up with at least 3 major points. Step 2. Planning. Develop an outline that includes a topic sentence and concluding sentence if necessary. Underline them. Step 3. Adding transitions. Decide where transition signals will be appropriate and write them in the margin of your outline. Step 4. Writing. Write a rough draft. Circle your transition signals. Step 5. Editing. Have a classmate check your draft against the peer editing checklist that follows. Make sure your paragraph has coherence. Step 6. Rewriting. Write a second draft and proofread it for grammar and mechanics. Step 7. Write a final copy to hand in. Topic suggestions: drinking laws, the effects of divorce, working mothers, new sports, your major field of study, and current affairs or fashions. Okay friends, we next to peer editing checklist. Peer editors' comments and suggestions. General. What do you like best about this paragraph? Paper format. Is the format correct? Does it look like the model on page 19? Organization. Topic sentence. Is there a clear topic sentence? Does it have a controlling idea? Supporting sentence. Is the main idea clear? Does the writer need to add more details to explain it? Concluding sentence. Is there a concluding sentence? Does it begin with an appropriate end of paragraph signal? Unity. Do all of the sentences support the topic sentence? Coherence. Do the sentence flow smoothly? Are there any inconsistent pronouns or transition signal used? And sentence structure. Are there any unclear sentences? Can you suggest a way to improve them? And the last, grammar and mechanics. Are there any errors in grammar and mechanics? Check and check. Chapter 5, Kind of the Logical Order. Introduction. In Chapter 4, you learn that writing your ideas in some kind of logical order is necessary to achieve coherence. You also learn to recognize 3 of the common kinds of logical order in English: chronological order, logical division or ideas, and comparison or contrast. In this chapter, you will practice using them in paragraphs. Okay, friends. So, what is the takeaway lessons? Coherence is not just about grammar. It's about creating a clear path for your reader. By mastering transition signals and selecting the right logical order, you can ensure your writing is not just informative, but also satisfying to read. Remember, a good idea differs a good presentation. Practice the 4 pillars of coherence and watch the difference it makes in your writing. Okay, thank you joining me. I'm Anissa Nurfariha. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.